How to fix Instagram freeze language problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, just go to Instagram freeze, click here, click these two lines. Now try to log out and log in again, and then try to change the language. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, and now go to settings, apps, and then apps again, click freeze for stop it, and then go to storage, clear cache. Now go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix it, now just come back here and clear data, and after that your problem must be fixed. And if that also doesn't fix this problem, now just reinstall this application. And I hope this is helpful for you, and if you like it, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.